Hello and Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 4. So today we are excited to present about Database Management System Control. My name is Fisha Balkisna Zohar binti Rismidi and my last digit number 1012. Let's start our presentation with definitions of operating system and test of control. So operating system is system software that manage computer hardware and software resources and provides common services for computer programs. So it acts as an intermediary between the user and the computer hardware, allowing the user to execute and manage applications, manage files and manage system resources. Test of control is a procedure used in auditing to evaluate the effectiveness of a company's internal controls. The goal is to determine whether controls are operating as intended to prevent or detect errors or fraud. Testing of control involves examining documents, transactions or other records to ensure that controls are implemented and working effectively. Access control refers to the methods and processes used to restrict and manage who can view or use resources in a computing environment. It is also the collection of mechanisms that specify what users can do on the system, such as what resources they can access and what operation they can perform. Backup control refers to the strategies and mechanisms used to create, manage and restore backup copies of the database to prevent data loss and ensure recoverability in case of failure or disaster. Suppose a company uses a DBMS to manage its customer data. To ensure data safety, the company implements backup control by schedule backup, backup storage, backup verification and restore testing. In case of a data corruption issue or a hardware fail, the company can use these backups to restore the database to its state before the problem occurs, thus minimizing data loss and downtime. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Nur Samadina binti Muhammad Razlan. My last digit number is 1056. I will talk about input control. Input control in a database management system involve mechanism and rules implemented to manage and validate the data being into the database is accurate, consistent and valid. For the purpose of input control is to ensure that the data is accurate, consistent and adheres to predefined standard before it is stored in the database. 3 key aspect which is security control, authentication and authorization measure to ensure that only authorized user can import or modify data. The second one is data entry forms. Form used to input data often includes bulk and controls like drop-down list, checkbox and text field that restrict the type of data that can be entered. And the third one is validation rules. These are concepts that enforce data integrity by checking that the input data meets specific criteria. That's all from me.
My name is Nuridatun Najwa binti Ma'alias. My last digit number F1054. Definition of process control is process control in a database management system involves the management of various activity and tasks related to database operation and maintenance. This can be divided into several main areas. First one is concurrency control. Manage concurrent operation on a database without conflict. Techniques such as locking, timestamps, staking and concurrency control help avoid issues such as lost updates and inconsistent reading. Second one is security management. Control access to database and protect data from unauthorized access or modification. This involves user authentication, authorization and encryption. The last one is database maintenance. Regular tasks to ensure database security such as backup and restore. Regular maintenance helps in preventing, ensure and improving the overall efficiency of the database.
Hello, my name is Nur Aina Nafisa binti Muhammad Rashid. My last digit number 1062. So, what is output control? Output control refers to the mechanism and practices used to manage and ensure the quality, security and proper distribution of data or results generated by the system. Firstly, data privacy and security. It is ensuring that output data does not expose sensitive information and complies with data protection regulation. Secondly, access control. Managing who can access certain outputs based on user roles and permission. This involves ensuring that sensitive or restricted information is not exposed to unauthorized user. Thirdly, error handling. Managing and logging errors in a way that prevents sensitive information from being exposed and aids in troubleshooting. Fourth, data accuracy. Ensuring that the output data is correct and consistent with the input and processing within the application. Lastly, audit trails. Keeping records of who accessed or modified data, which helps in tracing and reviewing output-related activities.
That's all from our group. Thank you for watching.